feeling his little spine here. Seeing if anything feels kind of asymmetrical or stuck. And just doing some little movements. A little stuck on this left side. And we're gonna check his hips and make sure that the socket is good job, buddy. And that feels really solid there. That's good. Gonna be tall. Yeah, and he's really strong already, so we like that. Good. He's like, you're waking me up.
Yeah, he likes to kick me sometimes. Nursing him, and then he's kicking the other side.
I'm just gonna bring him up a little bit. So now, in the birthing process, the most important thing is to get him out safely, but sometimes the neck can get a little bit twisted and kind of wrenched on during that process, so we're just checking this out. Good. And what I'm doing is just putting my finger, it's called sustained contact, just holding it just enough to meet resistance here. And I don't think he minds. He seems to kind of like it. So.
He looks so relaxed.
Very good.
Are you lifting his head, or is he doing that?
I'm lifting it a little bit, but it feels pretty good in here. We're just kind of unwinding this left side a little bit. Perfect.